In this video, we're going to set up scheduling requirements and preferences and rules for moving simulator time slots. In our last video, we set eligibility for our slot groups, which tells the system which resources are qualified to be assigned based on record items or requirements. On the other hand, continuities define resource assignment preferences based on the event and whether roles need the same or different resources. There are a few different types of continuities you can define: group, required, preferred, discontinuity, and daily. You can use group-to-group events/slot groups together for use in future continuities. To create a required continuity, we'll select all the instructor slot groups and tell the system that we require the instructor to be the same resource for all the events. Next, we'll create a preferred continuity where the system will use the same simulator for all the events unless it's not possible to do so. We'll also associate a break cost here, telling the automatic scheduler that if the cost of using the same simulator is over $300, use a less expensive option and break the continuity. We can also set discontinuities like telling the system the instructor and examiner resource can't be the same. Lastly, the daily continuity acts as a required continuity for all events for a single slot group that fall on the day the event starts. For the next part of the video, let's move on to user schedule rules. When there's a conflict on the schedule, a user schedule rule provides options for moving the events of a product. You can apply this pattern to a resource or events. When selecting a resource USR, the system will use the work pattern applied to that resource, which can be done from the main page or tree management. We're going to set a template work pattern to the simulator events. Then, we'll right-click and set all these events to be moved based on the simulator slot work pattern. Click OK to create our user schedule rule. Now, our product template is done. In Scheduling Part 4, you'll learn about creating a project from this product and scheduling training automatically.